Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you all another interesting and tasty chicken starter recipe, which is chicken wings in barbecue sauce. So let's start with the recipe. So here are the chicken wings. First we will season them with some salt as per taste, adding here half teaspoon of salt, some pepper powder around half teaspoon, and some paprika powder. Now mix well so that the spices are coated with the chicken wings, and we'll keep aside for 10 minutes. Next we'll prepare the dry coating. For that, take a bowl and add half cup of refined flour or Maida, 1/2 tablespoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, some paprika powder around half teaspoon. Now mix well with the help of a spoon. And now we will coat the chicken wings with the flour mixture. Coat really well all the chicken wings so that they become crispy when we fry them. Next, heat a pan and add sufficient oil, and when the oil is hot enough, add the chicken wings one by one into the hot oil, and we need to fry them until they are golden brown on both the sides. Almost all of my chicken wings are fried golden brown, and now time to take them off. Shake off the excess oil. Now take a separate pan and add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Into it add some finely chopped garlic. Saute them well until they are light golden brown. Some chili flakes around 1 teaspoon. We'll be adding now some barbecue sauce around 3 tablespoons. The quantity of barbecue sauce will depend upon the quantity of chicken wings. And now adding some tomato chili sauce. I'm using Maggi hot and sweet chili sauce. Now give a nice mix to all the ingredients. Before turning off the flame, we'll be adding some honey around 1 tablespoon. Give a mix. And now we'll season the sauce with some black pepper powder around half teaspoon and some salt as per taste. Now give a final mix, and our barbecue sauce is ready. Turn off the flame. And now into this barbecue sauce we will add the crispy fried chicken wings one by one, and coat really well the barbecue sauce on all the chicken wings. This sauce will give a nice glaze and color to the crispy fried chicken wings. I have turned on the flame so that the chicken wings simmer in the barbecue sauce for just 1 minute. And now I will turn off the flame and arrange them in a serving platter. So here are my chicken wings. I'm adding some more barbecue sauce on top. The chicken wings are both juicy as well as crispy. So friends, do try this delicious barbecue chicken wings recipe. It's a great starter for any parties or occasion, as it is very tasty and can be made with less ingredients. So do try this tasty chicken recipe. And if you like my today's video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out the links for my other recipes in the description section of this video. See you soon again. Until then, bye bye and take care.